Pendo session replay unlocks the visual aspect of the end user experience. Now you can eliminate the guesswork of what actually happened in that instance where a user engaged with a new feature, or when they saw a guide for the first time, or when they ran into a bug and couldn't move forward in their process. For every single replay, we are capturing every click, all mouse movement, not showing any sensitive information or PII, and still having a high fidelity replay so you can understand exactly what that end user experience looked like. You're able to search throughout the particular event log to understand, hey, that feature they engaged with, who else ran into this issue, or who else went to this particular page and interacted with this guide. You can share the particular replay across with other Pendo users to better collaborate together and understand how users are interacting with your application. You can even create an issue directly from the replay to attach to a Jira ticket to build more of the business case of what is actually happening to the end user. We can save these replays and actually create playlists for users to better collaborate amongst each other and make sure that they have access to these particular replays. Replays can also be visited for a particular visitor or a particular account. They're also attached across the application to functionality such as funnels, to where we could watch particular samples of all the people that actually completed a funnel and better understand where there was drop off or what that end user experience should look like. Even pieces of feedback, when someone writes in ambiguous feedback saying, hey, I had a problem, now you can better understand exactly what that problem looks like. Using Pendo session replay, you can get a better visual aspect of what happened to the user and better be able to troubleshoot how to move forward.